Ever pondered why the concept of breakfast being the most important meal of the day is suddenly being challenged by a practice as old as time itself? Welcome to the fascinating world of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, a term that has been buzzing in the wellness industry for quite some time, isn't a diet, but rather a dieting pattern. It's a way of scheduling meals so that one gets the most out of them. Simply put, it's cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Now you might wonder why anyone would voluntarily choose not to eat for extended periods. To answer that, we must delve into the science behind this practice. When we eat, our body spends a few hours processing the food, absorbing nutrients, and burning what it can from what we've just consumed. Because it has all this readily available, easy-to-burn energy in its bloodstream thanks to the food we ate, our bodies will choose to use that as energy, rather than the fat stored in our body. However, when we fast, our body doesn't have a recently consumed meal to use as energy. So it is more likely to pull from the fat stored in our body, hence aiding weight loss. Additionally, fasting puts our bodies into a state of ketosis, which simply means that our bodies start using fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This not only helps to shed the extra pounds, but also aids in maintaining a lean body mass. Intermittent fasting also influences the hormone levels in our bodies. It increases the production of growth hormone, which helps in fat loss and muscle gain, and it reduces insulin levels, which makes stored body fat more accessible. Now, to summarize what we've discussed, intermittent fasting is not a diet but a pattern of eating and fasting. It helps our body to switch its energy source from the food we consume to the stored fat. This process, known as ketosis, aids in weight loss and maintaining a lean body mass. Additionally, intermittent fasting influences our hormone levels, increasing the growth hormone for fat loss and muscle gain, and reducing insulin levels for better accessibility of stored body fat. Remember, the beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its flexibility. You can tailor it to fit your lifestyle. However, it's always prudent to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. Join us again as we continue to debunk myths and explore fascinating health and wellness concepts. Until then, stay curious, stay healthy.